Have you ever counted the number of rubbish you are producing each day? We are now disposing 13,458 tons of rubbish in every single day. The spaces of the 3 landfills we are now using are decreasing rampantly. If we don't adopt any measures to reduce our disposing, the landfills will be full in a short period of time. Therefore, incineration is proposed by the government in treating disposal. Indeed, Hong Kong have had several incinerators to treat with the disposal in the 20th century. Nonetheless, because of the closure to the residential area and lack of emitting control, citizens requested to abandon the use of incineration, and the last incinerator have been closed in 1997. The latest generation of incinerator has solved the problems and defects of the previous generation. The latest one has done a good job in the quality control of the smoke emitted from the incineration processes and management of the residue amount. The advanced incineration technology and incinerator have been widely introduced to several environmental protection-oriented countries, such as Germany and Japan. The limited occupied land in Hong Kong is the motive force to substitute landfillings by incineration to cope with disposal. Through the incineration process, the total capacity of the disposal can reduce by 90%. Thus, this can extend the lifespan of landfills in Hong Kong. The total capacity of rubbish can be reduced to 10% from the original. The incinerator consists of emission control system. They can keep the air pollutants, suspend the air particles, poisonous and greenhouse gases into minimum. All constituents of the smoke emitted will be monitored by precise apparatus to ensure the emitting are conformed to the international regulation. According to the analysis between the ways of treating disposal of 19 countries, which is conducted by China Studies course of Hong Kong Baptist University. Incineration is more economical than landfilling and composed when coping with disposal. Incineration is a common method for land-limited countries to deal with their rubbish. For instance, 76% of the total disposal is dealt with incineration in Japan and 83% for Taiwan. The truth is that we will not have a method to cope with rubbish with no pollution. Landfilling will cause land pollution problem, air pollution, and bad smell. Incineration will cause air pollution problem and land pollution also. On one hand, we have to decide which methods to use to cope with garbage. Choosing the most environmental friendly and economical ways will be the ultimate goal. On the other hand, we have to reduce disposal from the sources. The best way to attain this would be through education. Moreover, some policies should also be introduced to assist and attain the goal, such as polluter pays principle and recycling.